Hey boys and girls, today we're going to go over our lesson for today, which is using think, say, sketch, and write, okay, for our ELAR writing, which is Writer's Workshop. Okay, so go ahead and get your writing sample that you worked on yesterday for Tuesday's assignment and take it out of your folder, okay? I have mine here. Okay, so remember I told you in yesterday's video that you didn't have to write a sentence, right? So you should have just had your drawing, and if you labeled, that was great. Even if you try to write a sentence, that's great too. Because remember, I encourage y'all to continue writing, okay? So what we're going to do today is we're going to use our same picture from yesterday, and we're going to create a sentence, okay? So you're going to add a sentence to your picture. All right, so I'm going to pretend like I don't have a sentence here, and I'm going to write another one underneath, okay? So let me put something to block this so that way it doesn't kind of throw us off. Let me get a piece of paper from back here. Or you know what, let me use this. Okay, so look at your picture and start thinking of a sentence that you can write to go along with your picture, okay, your illustration. Okay. So remember, you got to think, right? That's our planning time. We think. What am I going to write about that will go along with my picture? Okay. Once you have an idea, then you say it out loud. Okay. So I'm looking at my picture and I'm going to say, my son plays tennis. Okay. So right here on my line, I'm going to start writing. Or you know what? Let me change it up. I'm going to change it. And you can do that too. If you think of a sentence, you say it out loud, and maybe you don't want to write that sentence and you think of something else, you can say it out loud and change your mind too. Okay? Just like how Miss Diaz did. So I'm going to write, I like tennis. So I'm going to write I. We all should know our letter I. And then space. Okay, put my finger here to give me my space. I like space tennis. And then what goes at the end of my sentence? That's right, a period, because that tells me my sentence has stopped. All right, boys and girls, so I want you to go ahead and look at your drawing that you did yesterday. If you labeled it, awesome. If you already wrote your sentence, great. Let's go ahead and add it. If you already wrote a sentence, go ahead and add another sentence to it, okay? If you don't have a sentence, go ahead and think of a sentence and then say it out loud and then write it, okay? Because we already thought, we thought about our picture yesterday. We said what we were going to draw. So we sketched it and then we wrote something, right? Now you're going to do the same thing, but for a sentence, okay? So don't forget to take a picture of your writing for today and attach it to our Google Classroom assignment, okay? So you should have a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday writing assignment. All right, boys and girls, I can't wait to see what kind of sentences you came up with.